Hello viewers, hope so all of you are fine. Today I am going to share with you objectives of research. The main objective of any scientific research is to extend knowledge, and the ultimate goal is to discover causal relationships between variables. The objectives of research differ with the nature of studies and goals to be achieved. Some researchers focus on descriptive data, some on explanatory data, some focus on comparing the techniques of data collection and improvements in the instruments for a typical study, and some are carried out to promote administrative changes, etc. Each research study has its own specific purpose. The research objectives are falling into following four broad groupings. First one is exploratory or formulative research. What is exploratory or formulative research? To increase informality with effect or to attain new happenings into it. It is called exploratory or formulative research. Second one is descriptive research. What is descriptive research? To expose precisely the uniqueness of a specific entity, situation, or a collection. Now, third one is diagnostic research. What is diagnostic research? It is to find out the frequency with which something happens. And fourth and last one is hypothesis testing research. What is hypothesis or testing research? It is to test a hypothesis of cause and effect relationship between variables.